Today we are going to discuss some more problems on center of mass. A uniform disk of radius Kepler is put over another uniform disk of radius 2r of same thickness and density. The peripheries of two touch each other. The position of the center of mass is. See here we have a disk of radius 2r. Disk of radius 2r. Disk of radius 2r. Now there is another disk of same thickness and density. Another disk of same thickness and density is placed over the disk. Peripheries that touch each other. So here radius is smaller. Radius is smaller for second disk. Let us consider mass of the first disk is say m1. Mass of the second disk is m2. And this is the circular disk. Bigger disk coordinates is 0, 0. So the center of mass of the system of two disks, due to the two disks, will be located somewhere. Let us consider that the center of mass will be distance between the center of masses of the two individual disks will be say r1 in a. Why? Because of d is equal to r. Distance is equal to r. Now what about the XCM? XCM is equal to m1 x1 plus m2 x2 by m1 plus m2. m1 x1 plus m2 x2 by m1 plus m2. Now what is the mass of the given circular disk? So let us consider density rho is equal to mass by volume. That implies mass is equal to density into volume. Mass is equal to density into volume. That implies mass is equal to density into volume. Area into thickness we have, right? Area into thickness. That is equal to density rho into area of circular disk is say pi r square into t. Pi r square into t. This is generalized expression for mass. So we are applying this formula for both m1 as well as m2. Okay. Now XCM is equal to instead of mass we have to write density into pi r1, that is nothing but 2r. Pi into 2r square into thickness t into coordinate system. Coordinate is a 0. Distance x1 is 0. Here x1 y1. x1 y1 is 0. Next x2 y2. Here it is x2 y2. Okay. Now m2 rho into pi into r square into t into, that is the distance d is r by rho into pi into 2r square into t plus rho into pi into r square into t. So that is equal to pi r square. Okay, this one will be 0 now. This one will be 0. 0 plus rho into pi t r square into r cube by rho into pi into t into 4r square plus rho into pi into t into r square. Now see here, this is rho pi t gets cancelled. So r cube by 4r square plus r square, that equal to r cube by 5r square. R square cube gets cancelled. There is say r by 5 from bigger disk. Center of mass distance from bigger disk is r by 5. So that somewhere it will be located nearer to the bigger disk. Okay. Now here we have 6 identical particles, each of mass Kepler, are arranged at the corners of a regular hexagon of side length A. If the mass of one of the particles is doubled, shift in the center of masses. So 6 identical particles, each of mass, are arranged at the corners of a regular hexagon. See here, hexagon. So here we have regular hexagon, M. So masses. M, M, and M, M, M. So this is the system now. Side is say given A. All sides are same. All sides are same. And now another massive particle is placed. Another mass is placed here. Then what happens? Initially, let us consider initially center of mass is here. Whenever the particle is placed, what happens? That will be shift towards the XCM will be shift towards. Initially, XCM is here. Now that is shift towards the massive particle 2m, you know. So here another particle of mass is placed here. So that expression for XCM is equal to in general sense, that is the m1x1 plus m2x2 by m1 plus m2. As it is symmetry in a particular initial situation, now you have to write the formula, say XCM is equal to m2d by m1 plus m2, m2d by m1 plus m2. Now you know m1 plus m1 is equal to 6m, you know. m1 is equal to 6m. Why? Because of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we are placing another mass m2 is equal to small m. m2 is equal to small m. So XCM is equal to m into d by 6m plus m. That is equal to m into d by 7m. So the both m gets cancelled. Now XCM is equal to d by 7. XCM is equal to d by 7. Now that you can written as say a by 7, since d is equal to a given. D is equal to a given. Okay. So but now, okay. So that is the a by 7 will be the answer. Okay. Now here, if a square of side r by 2 is removed from uniform circular disc of radius capital as shown in the figure, the shift in center of mass is, see here, this is center of circle O and this is the center of square. Okay, now the square side is say r by 2. Square side is r by 2. Length as well as the breadth both are r by 2. As well as the circular disc radius say r. Okay. The circular disc radius is r. Now what about the mass of the circular disc? Mass of disc is equal to density into volume. Density into volume, that is equal to density into area into thickness, that is equal to density into pi r square. Density into pi r square we have to take. Pi r square into thickness d. So that mass of the disc is proportional to r square. Why? Because of density constant, pi constant, t constant. So m disc is depends on r square only. And now m square is equal to density into volume, that is equal to density into area into thickness, that is equal to density into area. Length into breadth, like that we have to write, you know, r by 2 into t. So that m square is proportional to r square by 4. Proportional to r square by 4. Rho constant, t constant. So that x shift is equal to center of mass of the shift. Shift of center of mass is equal to mass of the removed part into distance d by distance d, and distance between the two. Okay, removed part as well as. So total mass, m total mass minus m removed. M removed is the expression. Now what about the mass of the removed? Mass of the removed is proportional to mass of the removed in a square shape. Square shape is proportional to r square by 4. You know, that's why instead of m removed, I will write r square by 4 into distance d. What about the distance between those two? So as it is r by 2, we have to write up to center only, na? So r by 2 by 2 by total mass depends on r square minus removed part is depends on r square by 4. So r square by 4 into r square by 4 into that is equal to r square by 4 into r by 4 by 4r square minus r square by 4, that equal to this r and this 4 and this 4 gets cancelled, then r cube by 3r square. Here r square and this cube gets cancelled, so r by 3 is the shift. So x shift is equal to r by 3 is the answer. X shift is equal to r by 3. X shift is equal to r by 3. But now here we are missed that pi, a small correction is here, that is small correction is needed, that is m this total mass, of course here only the constant. What is the constant here? See here, a small correction is there, no? Rho into r square by 2, density constant as well as thickness constant. Here also density constant, thickness constant, but not pi, So m disk is proportional to pi r square. We have to write pi r square. Sorry, that is I missed by me. Sorry, that is pi r square. We have to keep here. Okay, pi r square. So remaining will be same. Just we have to keep pi. That is equal to r square by 4 into r by 4 by 4 pi r square minus r square by 4. This 4 and 4 gets cancelled. See, 4 in the numerator, 4 in denominator will be gets cancelled. So that is equal to r cube by 4 by 4 pi minus 1 into r square. 4 pi minus 1 into r square. Here this cube and r square will be gets cancelled. So final answer expression will be written as say x shift is equal to r by 4 into 4 pi minus 1. X shift is equal to r by 4 into 4 pi minus 1. Here from a circle of radius A, an isosceles right angle triangle with the hypotenuse as the diameter of circle is removed. The distance of the center of gravity of the remaining portion from the center of the circle is. So let us consider here is an isosceles triangle is given there. See, that is the circle. Diameter of isosceles diameter is hypotenuse of the isosceles triangle. So that is isosceles triangle means here angle will be 45 degree, here angle will be 45 degree, here it will be 90 degree. So that if you draw the picture means here it is 90 degree, here it is 90 degree. Now we have to find the shift. XCM is equal to, or else XCM is equal to, after removal of this portion, portion, shift towards this one, of course. And XCM can be, now we have to find the remaining portion of the from the center of mass, the distance of the center of gravity, from the remaining portion we have to find, of course. So now XCM is equal to m1 x1 plus m2 x2 by m1 plus m2. So what about the mass of the circle here? So mass of the circle m is equal to density into volume, that is equal to density into, so that is the circle of radius, so we have to write say pi into radius is given say a, so pi a square, area into thickness is say t, okay, thickness is t for circle MC. For triangle mt is equal to density into volume, that is equal to density into volume half into base a into height also A only na, A into half into base into height into thickness we have to find. Okay, thickness. So that here we have m1 and x1 will be taken as a 0, 0. Okay, x1 it is 0, 0. For isosceles triangle, center of mass will be located at a height of r by 3, or here we, according to this we have to write a by 3. Okay, now that is equal to, what about m1? Let us consider m1 is equal to mass of the circle, circle of radius A, so that rho into pi into a square, rho into pi into a square into thickness into 0 plus, for triangle, rho into half into a into, so height a, base 2a into x2 is a by 3, x2 is a by 3 by rho into pi into a square into t plus rho into half into a into 2a. But this is negative, but this is y-axis, we have to consider vertical, that's why y-axis. Then we have to write here, instead of xcm we have to write ycm, that is equal to m1 by 1 plus m2 by 2 by m1 plus m by m2. But in general we are writing xcm only na, so that's why I am taking the x coordinates as m1 x1 plus m2 x2 plus my m1 plus m2. But according to this diagram, xcm must be taken as 0. We have to derive ycm in this process. Okay. Now that is equal to rho into half into 2a cube into 1 by 3 by, see, rho into t, 2 gets cancelled, so rho into t into a square into remainder pi only, pi plus 1, but here we have to find the shift, that's why we have to take it as a negative sign. Okay, as a shift we have to find shift of xcm, of course, shift of xcm we have to type negative sign. Okay, write negative sign, hence it will be minus. For this explanation, diagram will be looks like this. Okay, then we can derive xcm. For this diagram we have to find ycm. Okay, no doubt, no problem. Whatever it is, here is not mentioned, taken as y-axis or taken as x-axis is not mentioned, but with respect to diagram we have to write it as this is for ycm or for this one is xcm. Okay, now that is equal to rho into t into a square, rho gets cancelled, and here also we have to write thickness, so rho into thickness gets cancelled and q gets cancelled, and 2 gets cancelled, so that is equal to a by 3 into pi minus 1, a by 3 into pi minus 1 will be the answer. It's a shift of xcm. Okay, this is from the center of gravity of the remaining part. Say a circular plate has a uniform thickness and has a diameter 56 cm. A circular disc of diameter 42 cm. See here, this is the diameter 56 cm. Now a circular disc of diameter 42 cm is removed from one edge. So that is 42 cm means almost this much of portion will be removed. Okay, so that is the diameter is given 42 cm. So for this is m1, this is m2. Large circular plate, for large circular plate diameter D is equal to 56 centimeter, radius R is equal to D by 2, that is 56 by 2, 2 2 so 2 8 28 centimeters. 28 centimeters. For small circular plate, diameter D is equal to 42 centimeter, small r is equal to 21 centimeter. Small r is equal to 21 centimeter. Now, there is generalized form of, we know, shift is equal to, shift of XM is equal to, or X shift is equal to R square into capital R minus small r by capital R square minus small r square. Capital R square minus small r square. It is originated from m2 d by m1 minus m2. m2 d by m1 minus m2, as those two are circular discs. M is equal to density into area into thickness, density into pi r square into thickness. This is the formula is used. Okay, already given in the classes. Okay, so that XCM is equal to R square into capital R minus small r by R plus R into A square minus B square formula. R minus R, that is equal to R square by R plus R. Say here capital R, here small r, that is equal to 21 square. 21 square by 28 plus 21, that is equal to 21 into 21 by 49. 21 into 21 by 49. 7 3s 7 3s 7 7s 7 3s 7 7s. 63 by 7 63 by 7 63 by 7 7 9s 9 centimeter. Shift will be 9 centimeter. Shift will be 9 centimeter. So this is one important model, and if a rectangular sheet is removed from one edge of uniform rectangular sheet, if a triangular sheet is removed from one edge of uniform rectangular sheet as shown, then shifting center of mass system is. So that, see here, let us consider this is C1, this is C, this is C2. Okay, center C1, C2. So now this is the say X. We have to find X shift, of course. That is center to C1, it will shift, of course. Now X shift is equal to, there is a shortcut we have to use, that is A by 9. Side A by 9, that is given, say this is A is equal to 80 centimeter. A is equal to 80 centimeters given. Okay, as A is equal to 80 centimeters given, A equal to 80 centimeters, so that we can write that is 80 by 9. This is the formula we have to use in case of this one. So X shift is equal to 80 by 9, that is approximately 9 9s 81, you know. So 9 centimeter approximately, or else 8.9 something. Okay, 8.9 something, but in the options given 9 centimeter only. So X shift is equal to 80 by 9 we have to take. Now a boat of mass 40 kg is floating on water. A boy of mass 10 kg is on the boat, moves by 8 centimeters towards the shore. The distance by which the boat moves away from the shore is. See here, this is the boat on study pond. Of course, here is the person moving towards the small m, towards the shore. So this is capital M. Then this is the boat will be moving like this. Okay. So for this one now, when distance traveled is given is say L. Distance traveled by length L. So that we have to find given 40 kg and 80 meters given. So that X shift is equal to, now X shift is equal to M into L by small m plus capital M. M into L by small m plus capital M. Now X shift is equal to M into L, mass of the person, 10 into length L is equal to 8 meters. by mass of the person 10 kg, mass of the boat 40 kg. 10 plus 40, that is equal to 80 by 50. 0 0 gets cancelled. 5 ones 5, 5 sixes. 1.6 meter. 1.6 meter will be the answer. Okay.